Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Ron Baron is one of the greatest investors of all time. He has a net worth of over $4.3 billion and he's widely regarded as one of the original Tesla bulls. So Tesla is actually the largest position in Ron Baron's portfolio, despite him trimming his position early 2021. So I must say he also has exceptional timing in the market. So in this video, I'm going to deep dive and reveal to you guys Ron Baron's top 3 stocks in his portfolio. Now these are not his top 3 holdings, but these are 3 stocks which he's been buying very recently. So I consider these to be the most relevant stocks in his portfolio. So be sure to watch this video all the way till the end, guys, and I think you'll like what I've got for you. And before we hop right in, if you do appreciate all the value in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet and you do want more investing tips and exclusive stock market picks, of which I'm personally investing into, then go ahead and join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And remember guys, if you do want to access our thriving VIP community or even our ultimate investing strategy course, check out that first link in the description below, and I'll also leave a special coupon code down there so you guys can get a discount. And with that being said, let's dive in. Okay, so firstly, I'm just going to show you guys a quick overview of the returns Baron Capital, Ron Baron's fund, has actually had over the past few years, because these are astonishing. So in 2020, the fund returned 148%, incredible returns. 2019, 44%, 2018, minus 2%. So it shows these funds will not consistently perform every year. But me personally, I don't mind getting 2%, minus 2% one year if I'm getting 148% another year. So over the past few years, he's consistently outperformed the market again and again and again. So here is top 3 stocks, which I'm going to dive into. So stock number 1 on my list is Shoals Technologies Group, with the ticker symbol SHLS. Now, Ron Baron purchased this stock very recently for an average price of $35 per share. Now, the stock is currently trading at $30 per share. So if you invested into this company now, you're actually getting it minus 15% cheaper than Ron Baron. Now, Shoals Technology was a recent IPO in 2020, which I did cover on this channel. Shoals Technology is an Oak Tree-backed solar equipment supplier, files for $100 million IPO. So this was actually the biggest solar IPO ever. And the company actually went public for around $5 billion. So as you can see here, the company actually went public around $39 per share. However, the stock has slid down now by around 24%. It actually dropped as low as 44% down. It dropped to $21 per share, which was really, really exceptionally cheap for this company. It's now rebounded slightly, up 37% over the past week or so. What does this company actually do? Well, hopping in right here, this is a brief overview of the investor presentation. So this company provides a selection of products called EBOS, which are the electrical balance of system solutions for solar energy. Now that may sound confusing, but basically think of the connectors, the switches, these different parts here. You can cable assemblies, junction boxes, inline fuses. So the unique thing with this company is its products can actually be installed without using an electrician. So this actually saves on labor costs for the solar installers. It's also cheaper to install, faster to install, and basically they call it a better mousetrap. So this company seems to have a better product than all its competitors, and it also has a strong competitive advantage. So the company has a series of patents. So it has 17 patents and 2 patents pending, a proprietary manufacturing process which improves reliability of the system, and a leading market position. So they estimate that 54% of solar energy generation capacity installed in the US in 2020 used at least one of their EBOS products. So that's a real nice penetration into the existing market. Now, total renewable energy installations in the US equal around 12% of the entire energy generation capacity. However, that's expected to increase massively over the next few years, mainly thanks to the Biden administration and of course all the tailwinds from global warming. I noticed the company insiders also have a large holding in the company, so they have skin in the game. The large insider holding, Dean Solon, he owns 37% of the company and he's a director. So to me, that means they're very bullish on the prospects of the company and you're investing with the owner, which is something I really like to do with any investment. Now, the company's forecasted to actually grow extremely fast over the next few years. It is a profitable company at the moment, but they're not bringing in a massive amount of revenue, $176 million on a $5 billion valuation. So quite a high valuation at the moment. But the revenue growth for next year predicting 34%, 45% over the next 2 to 5 years. I estimate the fair value per share to be around $22 per share, which is exactly where it bounced during the stock decline. So that could be an indication of the fair value as being correct. However, they are expecting even higher growth, so you could easily justify this $30 share price. The only risk with this company I can see is its price for perfection. So let's say they can't meet their 50% growth over the next 2 to 5 years. Let's say they can't do that because they have this great product, it's patent protected, and they're assuming that's going to be adopted by all these different solar manufacturers, and that's going to be pushed by all the government incentives. But really, that's all assumptions and all projections for the future. So this company really does have a lot to live up to, but still, I think it's a fantastic company. And remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you info on exactly what I'm doing with various companies. Okay, on to stock number 2, which Ron Barron has been buying, and this is another IPO, and that is Cpng, ticker symbol CPNG. This is another stock I've covered previously on this channel, and as you can see here, Ron Barron purchased this stock for an average price of $46 per share. Again, the stock has slid at the moment thanks to rising interest rates. The stock is down minus 17% from when he purchased it, so the stock's at $38 per share. Now, hopping in right here, we can see the stock IPO'd in March 2021, $48 per share. It slid down now by 21%, $65 billion market cap, and basically this company is the Amazon of South Korea. So they're based in South Korea. They're the market leader in e-commerce in South Korea, and I've done a video on these guys previously. It is an exceptional company. It's founded by a Harvard dropout, so founder-led, which is something I look for in companies. You've got some celebrities here, Jessica Alba, involved with the company here with some sort of promotion. And basically, they offer an exceptionally great personalized service in South Korea for the delivery of goods. So this company is very personal when they're delivering goods. So for example, they'll know if they're delivering to a house and the house has a baby in, and the baby might be asleep at a certain time, so they'll be a little bit quieter. They'll know the names of the customers. They'll know the favorite things that the customer likes. So again, this is another high growth company. Hopping into my deep dive valuation model for this company. All these models are available to download, guys, as part of my stock research platform in the VIP membership group, or if you're part of our Ultimate Investing Strategy course. So I'll link to that first link in the description below. So I predicted 60% revenue growth for next year, and then 30% revenue growth for the next 2 to 5 years. Of course, this company benefited hugely from the whole pandemic, with people being stuck in their homes. They would have had to order a lot more stuff online. Valuation for this company, I got a few different numbers really, but $19 per share I got as a true valuation for this company. That is the price which I would load up the truck with Cpng stock if it got to those levels and the fundamentals hadn't changed. Stock price at the moment around $30 per share. What I didn't like with this company is the company IPO'd. They planned to IPO originally at $30 billion valuation, which would have equaled $17 per share. However, last minute, because the market was booming in 2020, 2021, they decided to actually increase their valuation to $59 billion, which equaled $35 per share. Now, I found that a little bit of a sly move from the investment bankers who were actually pricing this IPO, and I feel that would actually eat away at any profits a retail investor might have and actually make it a little bit more risky for a retail investor. But I do think it's still an exceptional company and definitely one to watch. Okay, stock number 3, which Ron Barron has been buying, is Travel and Leisure Co. with the ticker symbol TNL. Ron Barron purchased this stock for an average price of $54 per share, and it's now trading at $63 per share. So this stock has actually increased by 16% since he purchased it. So this is Travel and Leisure here. As you can see, $30 per share, and then it's gone up by 100% over the past year, which is incredible returns there. Market cap $5.4 billion, dividend yield 1.9%. Now, this really is an interesting company. So it was originally called Wyndham Destinations, and it develops, sells, and manages timeshare properties. However, the company's recently completed an acquisition of the Travel and Leisure Group. So you may have been on this website, travelandleisure.com. It's a great website, probably one of the best blogs out there, and they've been given access to their massive customer base of, I believe, over 30 million customers who are, of course, reading about travel destinations. So that's how the company's planning to expand at the moment. Quite an interesting company. I can't say I've dived into it deeply. As a little side note, I am an investor in a private company, which is a travel website. So this is called townandtourist.com. Very similar to Travel and Leisure, townandtourist.com. So this is a website which I'm probably 80% owner at the moment, and I've got a business partner in San Francisco. So it's a blogging website. If you guys are interested in travel, you might want to read about some traveling on here. It's a fantastic website, really, for if you just want to read about traveling, find out some really exceptional travel information. There's around 50 to 60 different writers who write exceptional blogs for the website. So yeah, if you guys actually want to write for the website as well, feel free to reach out on the email on the website, and you can actually sign up and actually write on the website if you want to actually share some of your own travel stories. And remember, guys, if you do want to access exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling, my entire six-figure portfolio, my stock investing journey of how I turned $20,000 into over $250,000, you can find out all that and more as part of my stock research platform. So if you dive into the Motivation to Invest website, motivationtoinvest.com, or you can click on the link, first link below, you'll get access to our private Discord group, our thriving Discord group, our advanced valuation models, my stock research platform, over 46 different stocks, and you can even sign up for our ultimate investing strategy course, where I've basically took the strategies of all the greatest billionaire investors and combined them into one exceptional course with my own experience, of course. So are you the type of person who's interested in stepping up their investing game and actually becoming financially free? If so, then the Ultimate Investing Strategy course could be for you. So if you are interested in that, you just want to find out some more details, check out that first link in the description below. I'll also leave a special discount coupon code down there in the description below, only available for the next 48 hours. So if you do want to sign up and lock in that discount, now is the perfect time to do so. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.